Will cooking frozen ham without defrosting it affect the taste or texture?
Hello, foodies! Today, we're here to answer an age-old question that many home cooks and professional chefs often ponder over. Will cooking a frozen ham without defrosting it first affect the taste or texture? You might be in a rush and can't wait for that ham to defrost, or maybe you're just curious. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of it.
What happens when you cook frozen ham?
Firstly, it's important to understand what happens when you cook frozen ham directly without defrosting. When cooking any type of frozen meat, the outside layers often defrost and cook much faster than the inner layers. This uneven cooking can lead to an exterior that's overcooked while the interior remains undercooked or still frozen. In the case of ham, this could result in a chewier, drier exterior with a taste that might be slightly off. The undercooked interior can also pose food safety risks if not eventually cooked to a safe temperature.
How does this impact taste and texture?
So, does cooking frozen ham affect its taste and texture? Absolutely. The texture will likely be affected due to the uneven cooking we just talked about. The outside may be dry and tough, while the inside could be undercooked and even cold. The taste of the ham might also be affected, but to a lesser extent. This is because the ham's natural juices are more likely to evaporate during the extended cooking time needed for a frozen ham. This can result in a ham that's less flavorful than one that's been properly thawed before cooking.
What is the best way to thaw and cook ham?
So, given these potential drawbacks, the ideal way to cook a ham is to thaw it first. Thaw your ham in the refrigerator for a few days before you plan to cook it. Remember, large cuts of meat like ham can take quite a bit of time to fully defrost in the fridge, sometimes up to a couple of days for a larger ham. Once thawed, you can proceed with your usual cooking method, ensuring that the ham is cooked evenly and to a safe internal temperature. In summary, while it's possible to cook a frozen ham without defrosting it, doing so may affect both its taste and texture. It's best to plan ahead, defrost your ham in the refrigerator, and then cook it to ensure you're getting the most out of your delicious cut of meat. We hope this clears up any doubts and helps you achieve ham perfection the next time you're in the kitchen. Happy cooking, everyone!